G'day people, how you going today? And today, I'll teach you what cheap as chips means. So, stick with me and today I'm going to teach you an Australian slang word, and that is as cheap as chips. Now they might use it in the US and the UK, but really, I don't give a fuck. But, piss off cat. But the term cheap as chips means it is bloody cheap. So it is very cheap that your grandma can buy it 100 years ago. And wow, how would you use this in a sentence? Oh, I brought some underwear the other day. They were cheap as chips because they had shit stains on them. So that's how you use that phrase. Or my car is cheap as chips. It's only worth $50. So something that's cheap as chips is very cheap, but it doesn't mean it's good quality, like a Holden. So anyway, I have to feed this cat some cheap as chips food because I'm an asshole and it doesn't like chicken. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like to learn Australian slang, and sometimes I do some Australian English as well, and just English grammar in general. But just a word of warning, do not use this in an English test. You